This is a 2021 Land Rover Defender Hybrid protected with a Halo Mini. If a thief got the key, done a relay attack, remote started the vehicle, got it running, they're going to be unable to drive it away. As you see, the gearbox is completely dead, foot's on the brake, nothing's happening, the vehicle's going nowhere. So the customer has to go through a unique code. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We receive a flash from the full beam, and you see the gearbox comes to life, and we can select our gear and drive away. As soon as we leave the vehicle, turn the ignition off, we get a double flash activation and the system's armed. If a thief grabbed the key as soon as you stopped, your vehicle's going nowhere. So as you can see, it's just not going into gear. The vehicle's running, it's ready in hybrid mode. No lights on the gearbox. We'll pop our code in, receive a flash on the dash. You see the gearbox comes to life and we can pop it into gear. This system has an unlimited service mode, so when you put it in service mode, it remains a normal vehicle until you turn it off. You can also choose your own code between 3 and 21 pressings using factory buttons within the vehicle. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. Thanks for watching.